Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well and are also in good health and wealth. In today's episode of trying and testing things, I'm gonna try this buldak ramen noodles, Korean noodles. So this has been trending on the internet and my friend, he recommended me to try this. He's like, oh, it's so good, it's so spicy, etc, etc. So I was like, let me test and try, like taste and see if it is really worth the hype. Now when I was like, just checking like which one is better and everything, there were like a lot of options. This one is the cream carbonara. I think it had a lot of options. One was, I think, the chili carbonara, I don't know, something like that. I think I misunderstood, I don't know what, but it has a lot of varieties. Okay, so this is hot chicken flavor ramen noodles. Okay, and it is very easy to cook. Okay, it's just like Maggi, like how we cook Maggi. Zyada time nahi lagta hai. Sorry, it is what? Ulta pad rahi ho. Oh god, हाँ क्या वही, like you have to. Why am I reading it ulta? Where on earth is this? हाँ इधर ही. Oh my god, it was just here. Okay, so yeah, you just have to add noodles in boiling water, cook for 5 minutes, then add soup and seasoning powder. So I think there is this soup or sauce, because in the video which I was just seeing for the recipe, there was this sauce, like how we have this, hot chili sauce, red flavored sauce and everything, and then there is this powder, like how Maggi ke liye masala powder we add similarly. So this shouldn't take more than 5-10 minutes. So I'm gonna cook it now. I'm gonna show you all the recipe. I'm gonna eat it and I'm gonna let you all know if it is really worth the hype. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we're gonna add 2 packets and then 2 600 ml, almost 1 liter. ठीक है. So अभी पानी उबल रहा है. Mom packet फोड़ रही है. Looking so pretty. Not very soggy, not very dry, not very soupy, perfect ramen. Let's try and see if it's worth the hype. Chalo, let's see. I'm gonna use a fork, okay? I just hope it's not very hot, yaar. I don't know, I touched at spices and thank god I didn't rub my eyes, but I was just touching it here and now this entire part is burning. Okay, perfect. Okay, I had my first bite and it is a combination of that ramen noodles I was talking about when I had it in my childhood, top ramen and Maggi, okay? But the best part is when you're like eating, like after every bite you're getting that spice hit and that a bit of that, it's like spicy and sweet, it's not very spicy but it is spicy. Like if somebody thinks it is not spicy, it is spicy, but it has that bit of that sweet wala chaska. Okay, let me have one more bite and see, just to understand, okay, if I'm right or wrong. Definitely 95% spicy and 5% sweet, and it is perfect. Okay, don't think that just because it has that sweetness it's not good. Like I did not think it will be that good. Like obviously it's not very spicy, and I think because I took the cream carbonara, I think if you take the other one which is not the cream carbonara, I don't know what it's called. Please forgive me. But yeah, if you take the other one which is not cream carbonara, it's definitely going to be 5 times more spicier. But I think for me it's fine only because ज़्यादा भी spicy नहीं खाना चाहिए. Like you should, but it's not good for your internal system. So I think this is perfect for me. So yeah, now I'm gonna enjoy the rest, and yeah, like I saw this one video where this girl, she was not adding that, she only added half packet of sauce, not like full packet of sauce. And I was contemplating whether or not to add full packet of sauce or half packet. I'm grateful, I'm very glad that I added the whole packet, because I think if I would have added half packet, it wouldn't have been that spicy. Now it has a perfect amount of spice, okay? Sorry, I'm just, but yeah, overall it's a good thing. It's definitely good, okay? Like it is the perfect ramen noodles. It could have been more spicier, but again, it's just the first time, and probably because I ordered the cream carbonara, because cream carbonara is not supposed to be very spicy, so I think it's perfect. Next time I'm going to try the other one, which is supposed to be more spicy than the cream carbonara. I've said cream carbonara 100 times in this video, but yeah, like overall, if you would ask me to rate it, 9 out of 10. It could have been more spicy, but then again, it's debatable depending on the type of carbonara it is, okay? So yeah, it's a must buy. You can definitely try it. I think it's good to, instead of ordering a takeout, I think this is a good idea, because to be honest, I was really bored of Maggi, okay? Like Maggi does not have that taste anymore, okay? It was once upon a time my favorite thing, but now I just don't like it, okay? And every time I crave something spicy, I order a takeout. So instead of ordering a takeout, you can make this 5-10 minutes mein ho jata hai. But yeah, like sauna session ho jata hai kitchen mein, that's the thing. But yeah, you can definitely try it once, and let me know in the comments which other Korean noodle or any easy quick 5-10 minute recipe you want me to try. I'll be happy to do so. If you all enjoyed the video, you all know what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe for more such videos. See you all next time. Bye bye.